I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to verify your identity on Boost Mobile, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have all necessary documents ready. This typically includes your ID, social security number, and account details. Step 2. Access the Boost Mobile website. Before starting recovery, use the Ashrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your details. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. This may include your name, address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 4. Upload documents. If prompted, upload a clear image of your ID and any other required documents. Make sure the images are well lit and legible to avoid delays. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After entering all your information and uploading documents, click the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation email or message once your identity is verified. Sometimes, the verification process can take longer than expected, especially if there are issues with the documents you uploaded. Just keep an eye on your email for updates. I hope this helps you get through the identity verification process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.